rotational motion of the molecules. Meaning of above sentences, above paragraph, it is useful determination of structure of molecules. Microwave spectroscopy or microspectra with help of useful determination of structure of molecules. It is not result IR radiation as well as Raman spectra, but micro radiation utilize the molecules. You got the useful determination of structure of molecules. Infrared regions or microwave radiations having these radiations 100 meter in wavelength is 100 meter inverse to 1 centimeter inverse, where is this wavelength of the radiation falls on your molecules. What happened? The molecules the radiation falls on these molecules. You got change in rotational motion of the molecules. The energy of this radiation is just sufficient to cause change in rotational motion of the molecules. So keep in your mind, microwaves radiation utilized in your daily life, in households, in your kitchen using micro oven. So in these micro ovens, using microwaves. All of you understand? Next one. The sources of microwave radiation is Klystron tube. The sources of microwave radiation is used Klystron tube. So the radiation is made up of with help of Klystron tube. Tube मध्ये हा radiation तयार केल्या जातात. It is the electronic oscillator in which beam of the electrons is pulsed between cathode and refractor. As a result, monochromatic radiation of about 95,000 megahertz are produced on a molecular level. You keep in your mind, only microwave radiation is formed in a Klystron tubes. Yes. Okay. All of you understand? At the beginning, all of you learn introduction about the rotational spectra. In a rotational spectra, determination of molecule structure of the molecules. IR radiation, Raman spectra is not utilized proper result. Infrared or microwave radiations are utilized in molecules, and you got rotational changes or rotational energy from in interaction between electromagnetic or microwave radiation and molecules. Next one. For example, you are using rigid rotator. Rigid rotator, keep in your mind, as shape of the rigid rotator is in your childhood, 11th, 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard, in a PT lecture, in a PT periods, you doing PT. बाय मीन्स कवायत करत असताना डंबेल यूज केलं होतं की नाही तुम्ही डंबेल एम आय राईट डंबेल असे दोन असे पाठीमागे असे गोल असतात आणि मध्ये असं प्लेन असतं सो इट इज अ सिंपल रिजिड रोटेटर असं तो हलवला तरी हलतो ओके सो रिजिड रोटेटर simple rigid rotator you are using for a study of rotational spectra. So simplest rigid rotator consists of 2 points, masses joined by bond assumed to be rigid at a equilibrium distance. That is assumed that internuclear distance is not affected by rotation. So theory of this rigid rotator plays an important role of microwave spectroscopy, where molecules are regarded as rigid sphere. A linear rotator of a diatomic molecules, if one neglects its vibration, the rotational motion of the diatomic molecules governed by moment of inertia. With help of rigid rotator, पाचवीत किंवा सातवीत शिकत असताना तुम्ही डंबेल यूज केले ना कवायत करत असताना, ते जो मोठे जो बॉल आहे, कीप इन युअर माइंड, जो बॉल आहे त्याचा राईट हँड साइडचा बॉल मास M1 आहे आणि दुसरा कसा आहे M2 आहे. दोघींनी कसं जॉईन झालेलं आहे, रॉडनी जॉईन झालेलं आहे. So diatomic molecules capable of undergoing following types of the rotational motions. आता तो डंबेल कसा फिरतो? फर्स्ट इज रोटेशन अबाउट बॉन्ड ऍक्सिस. पहिली डायग्राम, रोटेशन अबाउट बॉन्ड ऍक्सिस. आपल्या बॉन्ड ऍक्सिसच्या भोवती हॅव्हिंग ए मास M1 अँड हॅव्हिंग ए मास M2 तो फिरत असतो. सेकंड रोटेशन, एंड ओव्हर रोटेशन इन व्हर्टिकल प्लेन. Which one plane? Vertical plane. By means vertical is nothing but parallel to y-axis. M1 and M2 हा vertical plane नी काय होत असतो? रोटेट होत असतो. End or on rotation in the horizontal plane. Horizontal म्हणजे x axis ला तो असा रोटेट होत असतो, इकडून तिकडे x axis टाइप. वर्टिकल म्हणजे y ऍक्सिस ला रोटेट, आणि पहिला आहे तो बॉन्ड ऍक्सिस ला काय होतो, तो रोटेट होत होतो. सो इट इज अ सिंपल रिजिड रोटेटर. सिंपल रिजिड रोटेटर्स हैविंग ए मास M1 and second mass M2. They are having three rotation. There are three rotation. First is bond axis. Second is end or rotation vertical planes as well as vertical planes and as well as horizontal plane. Next, with help of these diatomic molecules, you first studied moment of inertia of simple diatomic molecules. You can simple diatomic molecules. Beginning, all of you learn what is meant by moment of inertia. So, suppose the diatomic molecules take microradiations is microradiation falls on these molecules interact to each other. What happened? As shown in figure, rotating diatomic molecules. So, rotating consider a simple rigid diatomic polar molecules, masses M1 and masses M2 separated by internuclear distance R. सिंपल डायटॉमिक मॉलिक्युलचं मास M1 आणि M2 आहे, त्यांचं इंटरन्यूक्लियर डिस्टन्स कसं आहे? R आहे. यू शोइंग इन फिगर R. ओके, M1 to M2. Let R1 and R2 be the distance of these atoms. R1 and R2 distance of this atom from center of gravity. सेंटर पासून M1 चा मास R1 आहे, डिस्टन्स R1 आहे. M2 चा मासचा डिस्टन्स कसा आहे? R2 आहे. Moment of inertia of particle of mass M revolving around the fixed point at a distance R, and it is given by mr square. Moment of inertia mr square. Again, I repeat, consider a rigid diatomic molecules as shown in figure. So, in this figure, at a center of the mass, M1 mass, M2 mass, M1 चा distance R1 आहे, M2 चा distance R2 आहे. Total M1 to M2 त्याचं distance capital R आहे. So, consider simple rigid diatomic polar molecules of masses M1 and M2 separated by internuclear distance R. Let R and R2 be the distance of these atoms, Harshad Thakur, of the atoms from a center of gravity about which molecule rotates. Moment of inertia of this particle of mass m revolving and fixed point at a distance r is given by mr square. All of you understand moment of inertia of diatomic molecules? Next one. For a diatomic molecule, total moment of inertia I is given by I is equal to m1 r2 square, m2 r2 square. This equation number first. त्याच्यामध्ये दोन मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत, मास दोन मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत, मास m1 and m2. Since the system is balanced, moment of the both atoms are equal. दोन्ही atoms कसे आहेत? Equal आहेत. So m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2. This equation number second. For your kind information, r is equal to काय आहे? r1 plus r2. Rearranging this above equation, r1 by r2 is equal to m2 by m1. Adding both side 1 for your adjustment. r1 divided by r2 plus 1 equal to m2 m1 plus 1. LMC is r2 and m1. So r1 plus r2 divided by r2 equal to m2 plus m1 divided by m1. So r1 plus r2, but we know that r is equal to r1 plus r2. Okay. So rearranging this equation, r divided by r2, you are replacing, you are writing r plus r2 is equal to r. r divided by r2 is equal to m1 plus m2 divided by m1. Rearranging the equation, r2 m1 plus m2 is equal to r m1. So you write down r2 is equal to m1 plus m2 into r. This is equation number 3. You finding out the value of r2. Okay. Next one, similarly, with help of using the value of r1. Value of r1 is equal to m2, for your adjustment, m2 m1 plus m2 into r. This equation number 4. Put the value of r1 and r2 in equation number first. Equation number first काय है? r equal to m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square. So r equal to m1 plus m2 bracket square r square. Sorry, I the bracket square allowed to selling m1 plus m2 bracket square into r square. m1 m2 square r square, m1 m2 r square, m1 square m2 into r square, m1 plus m2 r square. So I is equal to इथं m आणि इथे m2 हे कॉमन आहे, बाहेर काढलं m1 m2. आता राहिलं काय? m2 plus m1 ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट आणि खालची टर्म काय आहे? m1 plus m2 bracket square. You're writing in form of two way, m1 plus m2, one bracket, another bracket, m1 plus m2, another bracket. One m1 plus m2 cancel, so into r square. m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 into r square. So I is equal to mu r square. So mu equal to m1 by m2, m1 plus m2. The term m1 plus m2 is known as reduced mass of the system and it is presented by mu. And it is presented by mu. All of you understand? Going towards first, moment of inertia, you calculate I is equal to mu r square, mr square. Next one, diatomic molecules, you finding out distance r1 and r2. Next one, the diatomic molecules, you finding the distance r2. Next one, and you calculate mu. मुझे बोलने का बच्चा की पता लगे नहीं कौन कर नहीं स्टॉप नहीं बोलने का. All of you understand? Yes, anybody? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
आता लिहून घेताय का थोडं का लिहिलं? हॅलो
हॅलो घेतलं मॅडम लिहून स्क्रीनशॉट काढले ते.
लिहून घेतलं?
हो
स्क्रीनशॉट काढले.
अच्छा काढले का? अच्छा ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट यू राईट डाऊन. त्याची पीपीटी काय मी बनवली नाही पण तोंडातून मी बोलून दाखवते. ओके, आता काय काय शिकला? फॉर डायटॉमिक मॉलिक्युल्स, फर्स्ट इज मोमेंट ऑफ एनर्जी ऑफ डायटॉमिक शिकला, इक्वेशन शिकला, पहिला काय शिकला? डायपोल मोमेंट V is equal to Q into R. Okay, next one in diatomic molecules, microwave radiation use for so with help of changing the structure of molecules, moment of inertia शिकला. So if interaction, what is by spectroscopy? Spectroscopy, interaction between microwave radiation to your substance as well as molecules, and they interact to each other with help of this spectroscopy in these molecules. How many radiation is absorbed? Lambda you known, wave number is you known, energy how many getting as well as transmitted one position to another position you are getting, and last one is spectra also you are also calculate. In this way you first all of you learn dipole moment, moment of inertia I is equal to mu r square. What is my mu? Mu is reduced mass into r square. Okay, next point all of you write down. Next point, energy of rotating molecules. Write down energy of rotating. बच्चे की दिखते हैं? हाँ बच्चे की दिखते हैं. ये तो निस्ता मुझको बोलने लगे. दिखा तो दिया. Energy of energy of write down energy of rotating molecules. आता तो molecules rotate होतो आणि energy तयार करतो. तर कसं लिहिणार? According to the Bohr quantization of theory. You writing in your notebook. Hello. लिहून घ्या अकॉर्डिंग एनर्जी ऑफ रोटेटिंग मॉलिक्युल्स. घेतला एनर्जी ऑफ रोटेटिंग मॉलिक्युल्स. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू द बोर क्वांटायझेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, according to the Bohr quantization of energy, if molecules is rotating with angular velocity w, with angular velocity w, and angular momentum is equal to integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. Next line, angular momentum is equal to nh upon 2 pi. Angular momentum equal to NH upon 2 pi. All of you in FI basic standard, all of you learn Bohr's theory of hydrogen atoms. Bohr says that electrons revolves around this nucleus in a circular form. Am I right? Next one, the electrons revolves around this nucleus in form of angular momentum is equal to NH divided by 2 pi. NH number of orbits, H Planck constant, 2 pi. These electrons going toward half. So pi, another half. Pi plus pi is equal to 2 pi. So NH upon 2 pi. This is the angular momentum. But आता हा मॉलिक्यूल वर काय पडलेला आहे? मॉलिक्यूल वर काय पडलेला आहे? रेडिएशन पडलेलं आहे, हो की नाही? तर रेडिएशन पडल्यानंतर काय होईल? अँग्युलर व्हेलॉसिटी तयार होईल. अँग्युलर व्हेलॉसिटी जर तयार झाली तर कशी असणार आहे? राईट डाऊन. अँग्युलर मोमेंटम ऑफ बॉडी, अँग्युलर मोमेंटम ऑफ ए बॉडी rotating with angular velocity W. Angular velocity W having moment of inertia I is given by angular moment of inertia I is given by angular momentum is equal to IW. W is nothing but angular velocity. I is moment of inertia. Moment of inertia शिकला. Running out of time. 10 minutes राहिलीत फक्त. IW. Okay. From the above equation, angular momentum कसा आहे? NH upon 2 pi equal to IW. Write down. NH upon 2 pi equal to IW. As a quantum condition, are applicable to rotational system. The angular momentum should be JH upon 2 pi. JH upon 2 pi. All of you understand? You are writing angular momentum NH. N is number of orbit, first, second, third. तसंच आपण रोटेशनल स्पेक्ट्रा शिकवत आहोत. त्याचा N च्या ऐवजी काय लिहायचंय? J लिहायचंय. JH upon 2 pi. So angular momentum JH upon 2 pi equal to IW. JH upon 2 pi equal to IW, where J is rotational quantum number. J is rotational quantum number having the value J is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. The kinetic energy of rotating molecules. जसं kinetic energy E kinetic is equal to 1/2 mv² लिहितो, तसं आता रोटेशनल एनर्जीला काय लिहिणार? E rotational equal to 1/2 IW². 1/2 IW². What is the I? Moment of inertia. W is angular velocity. So this equation number 3. On multiplying and dividing above equation by I, so E of rotational equal to 1 upon 2 pi I into I square W square. But IW equal to so no sir, IW रिकामे होता वेळ म्हणून जरा एक्स्ट्रा घेते. ह्याची पीपीटी नाही बनवली, लिहून देते. IW is equal to J's upon 2 pi. IW is equal to J's upon 2 pi. IW is equal to Jh upon 2 pi, that is, but you know that I square W square equal to J square S square 4 pi square. J square S square 4 pi square. So E of rotational is equal to J square S square 8 pi square I. Using above equation, Schrodinger wave equation. वरच्या इक्वेशनला श्रोडिंगर वेव्ह इक्वेशन यूज करून क्वांटम रिस्ट्रिक्शन कसं लिहायचं? ई रोटेशनल इक्वल टू h square upon 8 pi square I j in bracket j plus 1, that one equation known as rotational energy of diatomic molecules. E rotational is equal to s square 8 pi square I j in bracket j plus 1. What is meant by h? H constant. 8 pi square constant. I is moment of inertia. Moment of inertia आपण already शिकलोय. I is equal to mu r square. Mu r square. And j is rotational quantum number. Starting कशापासून होतो? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. In this equation is known as rotational quantum number. त्याची मी काय पीपीटी बनवलेली नाही. नेक्स्ट टाइम जेव्हा आपण कंटिन्यू करू त्याची पीपीटी बनवून थोडंसं एक्सप्लेन करेन. आपल्याला टाइम मिळाला म्हणून तुम्हाला लिहून दिलं. All of you understand? Today all of you learn moment of inertia and also energy of rotating molecules. In this way, in a micro spectroscopy use of microwaves, you study moment of inertia and as well as frequency energy of rotating molecule. Thank you. करते
शेयर कर सकते हैं
नहीं सब बच्चे की ओके बंद करू का?
बाय
हेलो हेलो रश्मी ऋतुजा गावान
हा मॅम.
कळला का आजचा पॉइंट?
हा समजला.
हा आता जी लास्टची जी त्याचं मी मला वाटलं की लवकर संपणार नाही म्हणून ती लास्टची पीपीटी बनवलेली नाहीये. मग नेक्स्ट टाइम जेव्हा फ्रिक्वेन्सी आपण लर्न करणार आहोत ना त्याच्या अगोदर एनर्जी ऑफ रोटेटिंग मॉलिक्युलची पीपीटी त्याच्यामध्ये घालते. ओके कळलं का?
हा कळलं.
ओके आता टाइम इनफ झालेला आहे. मी लिहू?
हो.
ओके थँक्यू
थँक्यू मॅम.
थँक्यू. किती विचार participate.